Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Allow and tap Home button. Then select iOS Launcher by clicking on it. Tap on Always and click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was successfully applied on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!